If you've ever accidentally hit your garage door, you know it can be a stressful moment. Here's a quick guide to help you stay safe and minimize the damage. First, prioritize safety. Park your vehicle and turn it off. Make sure no one is injured, and avoid touching the damaged door. It can be dangerous. Next, assess the damage. Look for dented panels, bent tracks, or broken springs. But remember, don't try to operate the door. Let a professional handle it. Contact a local garage door repair expert in Woodland Hills as soon as possible. Give them details like the type of damage and send photos if you can. This helps speed up the repair. Lastly, consider steps to prevent this in the future, like using parking guides or installing impact-resistant doors. Safety comes first. Follow these steps, and you'll get your garage back in shape without unnecessary